Welcome back, everybody. Average Model Guy here, bringing you part 3 of our Ford LNT 8000 AMT model kit. As you can see, I've been doing a little bit of off-camera work. I went ahead and got the bed all assembled. You can see I went ahead and glued this shut because I'm actually going to put real street salt in the back of this when I get it all painted up and done and assembled. I went ahead and did a little bit of the interior cab work. I just got the seats together and got the firewall on here. Yeah, it wasn't anything really super tricky with any of the fits with this stuff. As long as you clean everything off, it should be good to go. Went ahead and put this little piece on the steering wheel. I want to make sure this was glued for a while before. It had been dry for a while, I should say, before I went ahead and finished the final assembly. We got the rest of our dash, and then we've got our steering arm there. And then we've got this section we need to do. I got this little box and air tank, I believe is what that is, or maybe it's a hydraulic tank. Can't remember right off the top of my head. We'll put that together, get that on the side of the frame. And then we've got our hydraulics for the bed, and that's this whole section here. Put that together, and then the bed will be able to raise and lower. I think I am still going to go ahead and make sure that it'll slide up and down, even though I'm not going to open the tailgate on it, but because I might have it raised just a little bit when I finish. That way it looks like it's maybe dumping a little bit of the salt out, but we'll see. We'll play around with it and see what we can get. So alright, I will be back when we get any of this assembled, and if I have any issues, I'll stop back in and let you know. Okay, wanted to hop back on here and show you a little something here. So on the instructions, there is this cylinder pin. I looked and looked and looked and looked, and I couldn't find it. Everything started to run together. I just wanted to let you know that it's right here. It's piece number 335. I already snipped it off, but I wanted you to look and see exactly where it's at, so it would save you some time. All right, little helpful tip there. Okay, I've got the bed done and painted, as you can see. Now, there's one thing I did learn. I don't know if you guys have used the all-clad chrome paint before, but if you prime it, you'll get the stainless steel look like this, okay? But if you leave it unprimed, you'll get more of a chrome finish. I never realized that before. But yep, I've got it all painted. I haven't connected the cylinder there yet. It's gonna be kind of hard to do one-handed here, but anyways, I got that, and it will rise once I get that connected up. So, yep. And I'll set that back down in there. I went ahead and got my cab painted. Nice orange color that I wanted. It turned out really good. A little bit of defect right there. I'm gonna have to sand that out. We'll see. I just got that taped in there, hood taped on there, just so I could paint it all as one unit. Here's the steering wheel. And then here's our cab, and I got the dials all painted up. So I'll get the steering wheel in there, and yeah, we'll be right back with what I am going to clip up next and assemble. Alright, here's what we got. I just went ahead and put the steering wheel in there and test fit that onto the frame, make sure that fits okay. And then I went ahead and got that all done. I'm going to go ahead and use my chrome paint marker and do the Ford on there. I'll come back, I'll get that painted on there, and I'll come back and show you. And then I got the other part of our cab done. Got the windshield in, got all the marker lights on, horn on. I got the mirrors on, as you can see. Those weren't too bad to put on. Definitely recommend using super glue. Looks like I gotta touch that one up. It's off just a little bit, but set. Yeah, got that all set, so that's gonna look pretty sharp together as one unit. I went ahead and took the tape back off, but I got the cleaner on there, kind of weathered it up a little bit. So yeah, looks like I got a little touch up to do right there. too. I don't know what happened there, but we'll get her squared away and fixed and get that on there. Yeah, I didn't have any major issues with putting any of that stuff on there that I could tell. So I guess probably call it good for this episode, and probably the next one we're going to start working on the blade and everything. Yeah, blade and the auger and all that assembly. We'll get that on there. I'm hoping to get some decals made for this. Get them on the side. Got my nice new Cricut that I can use to make my little decal for it. We'll see how it turns out. Yeah, hey, don't forget, if you guys like this video, give me a like, and if you want to see the rest of this build go through all the way, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks, guys.